There's a building behind me. It's Malik Plaza. It's on fire right now. I'm not sure whether you can see the smoke billowing up there. It's an 8-story building. It just caught fire a few moments ago, and there are very loud explosions coming from there. It's still not very clear if there are people inside there, but what we know is, I'm sure you can hear the explosions, and they're getting more intense and closer to each other every passing second. It's not clear what's exploding in there, but there's speculation that it's probably gas tanks. But what we know so far is that the smoke is getting more intense. It's an 8-story building. It's a long Gong Road. We've had some fire brigade officers coming through there, but they've not started firefighting yet. But you can see a bit of flames also coming from that area. People are just gathering around that area. The other issue there right now, Wahiga, is that the plaza there houses a car yard. So there are several vehicles that are almost getting fire there, and what we can see right now is just the smoke getting up there and becoming more intense. It's an 8-story building. I'm not sure whether you can get a clear shot of it, but we're trying to gather as much information as we can. It's not clear whether there are people inside. What we know is that the building is just on fire right now. There's no fire brigade by the side. I can see some of the strobe lights there, meaning there's a bit of intervention, but they haven't started just yet. So the ultra-modern, it's a 9-story commercial complex actually, located strategically along Gong Road in the prime Adams Arcade area. It's very ideal for organizations seeking easy access to the city and environs. The building touches the newly expanded Gong Road, which is right beside where we are. It also allows easy access to prime residential neighborhoods such as Karen, Lavington, Kilimani, and Kileleshwa. So there's most likely going to be a bit of a traffic buildup. Even as we speak, we can see it from where we are. The smoke is just getting more intense. The building is actually operational with a car dealership, a coffee shop, with the anchor tenant on the top 2 floors. The building is also very ideal for professional services. It enjoys amenities such as ample parking, ready tiled floors with acoustic ceiling, high-speed lifts, 24-hour security, space available. It's about 1,200 square feet. That is the details we are getting online, Waiga, concerning this Malik Heights. It's an executive offices suites along Gong Road, and those explosions are just becoming louder and louder. And from where I stand now, we can literally see the flames becoming more intense. We can see some red aspects of it, and the explosions becoming loud and loud. And the car dealership area is almost partly on fire as well from where I stand. We're going to have to move back a bit just to be sure that we can keep a safe distance. It's not clear whether there were people in that building as we speak. What we know is it's a 9-story building along Gong Road. The fire is getting more intense every second. There's still no intervention as far as we are concerned. I can see some strobe lights and some ambulances there, but the fire brigade is not there at the moment because we cannot see any sort of intervention from where we are. It's not clear whether there are any injuries or whether there are people inside as we speak, but the smoke is becoming much more intense. Waiga?
I know the setup for the town hall usually takes a couple of hours. I'm sure you've been there from about 7 p.m. When did you start seeing the smoke billowing out of this building exactly?
So around 8 p.m. Wahiga, that's when we started hearing a bit of explosions here and there. But like you mentioned, we are still holding our setup here, so we didn't think much of it. Except just a few moments ago, maybe 30 minutes or so, that's when we started seeing the smoke heading towards where we are. And it was a bit thick at that particular moment. So maybe about an hour or so, but also considering that there's a lot of clear space there, the flames may be fanned by a lot of oxygen around that area because there are not very many subsequent buildings. However, there's a residential area right behind it. In fact, now you can hear the sirens of the fire brigade. I think they're just arriving as we speak, and the flames are becoming much more intense. They're coming from both directions right now, Wahiga. I'm just going to move close and see what's really going on. I'm not sure whether I can give you those shots as it stands right now, but the traffic is almost at a standstill right now because it's becoming more intense as the fire brigades try and intervene. There's some groups of people that are gathering right outside. What we know is that the Malik Heights Plaza is a 9-story building. It houses a car yard as we speak. There are several vehicles we can see. In fact, the fire seems to be on the first floor, if I'm not wrong, because that's where it's much more intense.
Okay, Trevor, for those who've never seen this building before, but might have a rough idea of where Adams Arcade is or where the Gong Road sort of roundabout is, right around where Daystar is, how far would you say this building is from any of those major landmarks to help our viewers get a better picture of where this is exactly?
So Wahiga, we are at the Greenhouse Mall, and it's directly opposite where we are. And just behind it, there seems to be a residential area as well. And this is not too far from the Prestige Plaza, which is also along Ngong Road. It's right at the intersection of the roads, and also just behind it is another building. It's called Applewood Adams Plaza, and they're literally on the same line. It's just by the roadside, Wahiga. That's the reason why it's most likely going to cause a lot of traffic, and I'm sure you can see the flames becoming much more intense. That's why I was saying that it's most likely at the first floor of the 9-story building. That's where we're trying to show you right now. And just to give you a glimpse of what it is like, it's right on the intersection along Ngong Road. And you can hear the explosions becoming much more intense. And the flame is now heading more towards where the car dealership is as we speak. And there we can see the fire brigade trying to gain access to the area. But like we mentioned, there's also residential apartments just next to it. It's not clear whether they've been evacuated as it stands. I can see a lot of people moving up and down right now. You can't tell whether they're from that apartment that is just next to that building. But the Malik Plaza is seriously on fire right now as we speak. And I'm just trying to get a better glimpse of it. It seems like it's heading more towards where the car dealership is. And even from where I stand, I can see several vehicles, and I can count at least 15 from where I am, but they're definitely more than that, because there are several. It's an entire floor of the car dealership where the fire seems to have started. As the smoke goes up, it seems to be heading more towards the second floor. Like I mentioned, Wahiga, it's a 9-story building, and that's where the fire brigade are trying to access. It's not clear whether there's anyone inside. We're just trying to get as much information as we can, but the heat and the flame seems to be becoming much more intense every second, and I'm sure you can see it from where you are. Again, it's becoming more and more. The fire brigade have not started dealing with it just yet. They still seem to be, they're trying to navigate their way to move closer to the site. I can see that the firefighting truck just reversing into that area, but there's still no intervention as we speak. But the explosions are getting louder and at closer intervals every second. The flame is also becoming much more intense, as you can see from where you are. There's an ambulance parked right in front of that plaza as well. We're not sure if anyone has been taken to that area, but there's still groups of people gathering as we speak. The fire brigade, the firefighters are moving closer. They seem to be able to get there, but they're trying to get through a fence, I believe. That's what I can see from where I am, but I can still see the strobe lights as they try and push closer to where the fire is, Wahiga.
And obviously, Trevor, one can imagine that Ngong Road now must be one of those roads you should not use at this particular time because of congestion expected there, as you see police, ambulances and other vehicles, rescue operations going on as we speak. But the nature of the news business is that while Citizen TV was planning to have a live show just across the road, what happens is that at about 8 o'clock, from what our Trevor Mbija is telling us, they started hearing spaced out explosions